We are going to see what a servomotor is. A servomotor has a gearbox that reduces the speed of a motor. The motor is the electrical part that moves thanks to a controller, which is the electronic part. This controller receives signals from a microcontroller that we have programmed, for example with the Arduino IDE. In this case you are going to see how it is controlled with an ESP32. In this application we are using an ESP32 connected to pin 13. On the PC screen you can see the programming code that we are going to use. We will use the servo library. We declare the servo as MyServo. The servo arm will start at position 0 and as we have said before, the servo motor will be connected to pin 13 of the microcontroller. You are going to move the servo 180 degrees from one end to the other. Once we give power to the servo motor, after uploading the sketch to the ESP32, we see that the servo motor performs the expected movement. A servo motor has 3 pins. These pins are connected so that one is positive, another is negative for the power supply, and the third is the signal for the servo to move. It is convenient to know which servo motor you have, to know what color code these 3 pins use. A servo motor is used, for example, to move things, to have a door controlled and open and close whenever you want, or to trigger a trap and shoot an object out, etc. We can use a remote control like this one to activate it, and we can program it to move a few degrees. It doesn't have to do a full 180-degree rotation. Thanks to the ESP32 we can control the servo motor through an app connected to the microcontroller using Bluetooth, or we can even control it through Wi-Fi using a web. I hope you have found this video useful. I will leave the library together with the programming file below this video.